Making life at home a little easier doesn't have to cost a lot. There are some smart and affordable gadgets out there that can save you time, reduce effort, and just make things more comfortable. I've listed the best 20 household gadgets you can get on Amazon that are both cheap and useful. Whether it's for cleaning, organizing, or solving everyday problems, these items are simple but effective. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Silicone door handle covers. Suction cup design firmly attaches behind the door to prevent damage, while the soft silicone cover shields hands from extreme hot or cold temperatures. Offering double protection, it keeps both your walls and your skin safe. Easy to install without any tools, it's also reusable and simple to clean. Made of durable, non-toxic silicone, it suits everyday home use. A smart addition for anyone looking to protect surfaces and enhance comfort effortlessly. Silicone pan handle sleeve. Automatic pull-out design allows the heat-resistant silicone sleeve to snugly wrap around handles of various shapes and sizes. It protects hands from burns while cooking and fits snugly without slipping. Easy to install. Just slip it on and pull the ring to secure. Dishwasher safe for quick cleaning and made from elastic, flexible material. Ideal for daily kitchen use, it's a reliable way to ensure safety and ease during stovetop cooking. Label maker. Supports both continuous and fixed-length label tapes with a compact design that's half the size of traditional options. Bluetooth enabled, it connects to a mobile device for wireless printing. German thermal print head delivers high clarity without needing ink or toner. With over 1,000 icons, 60 frames, and multiple fonts, the app lets users create customized labels, barcodes, and QR codes with ease. Lightweight and rechargeable, it fits right into your pocket for on-the-go organization. Mattress lifter wedge. Lightweight and ergonomic tool easily slips between the mattress and box spring to elevate the mattress while changing sheets. It reduces strain on the back and shoulders, especially helpful for seniors or those with arthritis. Made of strong, eco-friendly ABS plastic, it supports mattresses up to 1,000 pounds. With a simple yet efficient design, it helps tighten bed skirts and smooth out sheets. Compact enough to hang or store easily after use. Jar opener. Features 8 circular opening sizes and built-in hooks for breaking airtight seals, making it perfect for opening lids from 1 to 3 inches wide. Long handle provides excellent leverage, while the rubber-lined grip ensures firm contact without slipping. Useful on cans, bottles, or jars, it simplifies everyday kitchen tasks. Compact for easy storage, it's made of food-grade materials and is easy to clean. A thoughtful tool for anyone with limited grip strength. Shower footrest. Triangular stool surface with a hollowed-out corner design offers a sturdy place to rest your foot while shaving, scrubbing, or moisturizing. Made of bamboo wood with a waterproof coating, it's both durable and stylish. Non-slip foot pads add extra stability, and the stool size is ideal for small bathrooms or shower corners. Versatile enough to double as a plant stand or side table, it brings functionality and elegance to indoor or outdoor spaces. Joystick control night light. Retro-inspired lamp features joystick control and a compact LED design for ambient lighting. USB rechargeable, it offers wireless convenience and fits easily on any desk, nightstand, or office corner. With a unique switch mechanism styled like a game lever, it brings a playful yet practical touch to any space. Ideal as a bedside light or decorative desk lamp, it's a charming blend of form and function, providing soft, adjustable lighting where needed. Automatic tape dispenser. Manual tape dispenser operates without batteries. Just press the lever and it automatically cuts a 1-inch strip of tape. Compact and portable, it's perfect for quick taping tasks around the home, office, or classroom. The concealed cutting blade is safe for children, and its one-hand operation allows for effortless use. Great for wrapping gifts, sealing envelopes, or crafting projects, it's a time-saving tool designed with both safety and simplicity in mind. Sticky lint roller. Compact and foldable roller features optimal adhesive to lift pet hair, dust, and lint from clothing, bedding, and furniture. It's safe on fabric and doesn't require refills, making it both eco-friendly and budget-conscious. Easily rinses clean with water and becomes sticky again once dry. Small enough to keep in a purse or travel bag, it's a handy lint remover for on-the-go touch-ups or quick cleanups around the house. Ceiling fans with light. 42-inch fan with dual-color reversible blades complements both modern and classic interiors. Super thin body enhances safety and style, while the noiseless motor delivers powerful airflow with minimal sound. Equipped with a remote, users can control the light and fan separately, choose from 6 speeds, activate natural wind, set timers, or reverse fan rotation. Suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and more, it offers comfort, convenience, and a sleek aesthetic all-in-one. Travel steamer. 180 degrees foldable design with a detachable cable allows for compact storage and easy portability. Dual voltage support adapts to global standards, making it great for international use. The powerful 1,200-watt steam heats up in 15 seconds, smoothing wrinkles quickly. Featuring both steam and dry iron modes, it's safe for a variety of fabrics. One-button operation and multi-protection systems ensure safe use. A travel bag is included for convenient packing. Clip-on strainer. Quick draining design ensures efficient separation of liquids and solids during cooking. Its compact size allows for space-saving storage, ideal for small kitchens. The flexible clip-on feature securely fits onto pots, pans, and bowls of different sizes. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it can handle high temperatures safely. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This kitchen tool offers convenience, simplicity, and durability without taking up much room in your cabinets or drawers. Crevice cleaning brush. Durable bristles and an ergonomic handle provide solid scrubbing power for tight spaces. Ultra-fine bristles reach deep into gaps to remove hidden dirt effectively. Designed for use in hard-to-reach areas like window tracks, shower door rails, and kitchen sink corners, it handles multiple cleaning tasks effortlessly. Built with tough materials and a sturdy grip, it's a reliable option for tackling both light touch-ups and heavy-duty grime buildup. Dual shower head. High-pressure spray offers powerful cleaning, making surfaces sparkle without the need for scrubbing. This 2-in-1 design includes a fixed shower head and a detachable handheld unit for flexibility. Simultaneous dual-head operation enhances coverage and user experience. Offers 5 spray settings, including full body, massage, shampoo rinsing, and pause options. Great for daily showers or deep cleaning tiles, it blends performance and convenience with ease in any bathroom. Portable clothes dryer. Compact and lightweight, this dryer fits easily into suitcases and is perfect for dorms, RVs, and hotels. A high-speed motor ensures fast drying of both clothes and hair. With 3 adjustable temperature modes and a dedicated bag that boosts heat circulation, it enhances efficiency. Switching between hair drying and clothes drying modes is simple, and installation takes seconds. Convenient hooks and a travel bag make storage and portability even easier. Wall-mounted lights. Built-in 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 24 hours of use on medium brightness. Easily charge via USB-C, then mount securely with strong adhesive. 2 control options, remote and button, allow users to toggle color temperatures, dim brightness, and set timers. The 360 degrees rotating magnetic base offers flexible light direction. Perfect as a bedside lamp, flashlight, or emergency light, it adapts to various needs around the home. Motorized tie rack. Automatic rotation lets you browse up to 72 ties and 8 belts with a simple button press. Built-in LED lights illuminate ties in low-light conditions. Installs easily on closet rods or wire shelving, no tools required. Operates on 4C batteries and rotates both ways for convenience. This is a thoughtful gift option and a practical organizer, especially useful for busy mornings or keeping accessories neatly displayed. Folding electrical outlet splitter. Rated for 2500W, this 3-in-1 wall adapter works with most standard home appliances. Its rotating plug allows for flexible positioning, keeping bulky adapters from blocking other outlets. Ideal for both home and travel use, The compact design is easy to pack and carry. Flame-retardant materials provide added safety. A practical and space-saving solution, it helps organize your plugs while keeping them within reach and safely powered. Magic Brush. Comes with 50 mop pad refills and ergonomic handle for easy cleaning. Designed to reduce hand strain, the brush works well on glass, toilets, and more. Non-woven wipes offer strong cleaning power without damaging surfaces. Great for everyday household tasks, it's durable and built for long-term use. Whether for quick cleanups or deep scrubbing, this versatile tool helps maintain a tidy and hygienic home with minimal effort. Portable Door Lock. Made from high-strength zinc alloy, this heavy-duty lock adds an extra layer of safety to any inward opening door. Compact and portable, it's ideal for travel, solo living, or staying in hotels. Designed to fit door gaps from 0.2 to 2 inches, it provides a tight grip without damaging surfaces. Offering quick installation and strong resistance to force, it brings peace of mind wherever you go. Making your home more comfortable doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes, it just takes the right gadget. These 20 cheap and clever Amazon finds are proof that small upgrades can make a big difference in your everyday life. If you want to grab any of the products mentioned, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.